Hi, I'm Simon Harris-Briggs, Business Development Manager for Avocor, UK's global manufacturer of the Avocor F-Series interactive panel. Here today I will be presenting the 65-inch, 75-inch, 84-inch Avocor F-Series. One question that we're always being asked is about using different products and different solutions around Windows and Android. The Avocor series has selected Windows as one of its key features and driving the product forward. As you can see here, we have the Windows button and press Windows, and we put this into a tablet format. So you can see that straight away with it using Windows Tablet and Windows 10, we have PowerPoint, Excel, Word, and even Office 365 packages such as OneNote. We also have Acrobat Reader DC if we want to annotate and highlight over PDFs. And we also have education applications on there, even down to Minecraft for coding. But let's go into Avocor Note. By selecting Avocor Note, this now gives a meeting room, training room, teaching room, lecturing room, a whiteboard for teaching, educating and meetings. I simply pick up a pen with a 2mm nib, select the line thickness and the pen and start to annotate onto the screen. I may want to change the colour. I may want to select an eraser to take away. But the key feature of the Avocor F-Series is the in-glass touch technology. In-glass touch is one of the best touch on the market, which allows me to get down to a single pixel onto the screen. We have found with feedback of end users that this has been fantastic within education, of writing small formulas, writing small numbers, and also within engineering and construction, for diagrams, for drawings, and has made Avocor successful throughout all industries. Within the Windows 10 tablet, you'll notice within the software we have the Microsoft chart. By pressing the Microsoft chart, I can now share this current page. If I had a wireless Bluetooth and mouse, I could send an email to anybody within a training space or a meeting room. But I'm going to use OneNote. Again, through experience, OneNote is growing extremely quickly throughout all industries. I hit send after my preview. I come down here, close Avocor, and again I can go into my OneNote account and you will see that my information is directly in OneNote. I can use my gestures and I can simply annotate by picking up the pen and annotating straight into OneNote. Any OneNote user throughout the world can now use the Avocor screen. And again, maximising return of investment and ease of use. And let's keep that going. Let's keep that ball rolling. If I go onto the internet and I would pick a website. So, okay, let's use avocor.com. We go onto a website and we pick, say, our products. It allows us to select a pen within Windows and allows us to annotate directly over our web page. We can also highlight key points and key areas within this document. I can also capture information, so I might want to just take a small snippet out of the website and take it to another application. And this time I'm going to use Microsoft Word. So I open Microsoft Word, click on a blank document, hold my finger on here and press paste. Once we're on here, we can now simply pick up a pen and annotate directly into Microsoft Word. This is now a Word document. I can save as, print, share and export anywhere around the world that is using the Office package. To take this a step further, we can also use this within Excel. So again, using Excel, Excel opens up, I use my pen and I annotate directly over the document. I can go into Draw and change it this way, but use a pen and highlight. And again, I can use the file for open, save as, and print. Staying within the Office package, Okay, we can now go into PowerPoint. PowerPoint will now open, and we know within all industries that people are still presenting with PowerPoint. So I hit start, and I could simply, by using my finger, move forwards through a presentation, move back. I also have the option to pick up a pen and actually annotate directly over my PowerPoint presentation. I could also, if I'm annotating on here and I'd like to erase, I could use the back of my hand to erase. If I go back in my presentation and back to where I am, the annotations stay in there. So I've got a full audit trail, and that is same in Word and in Excel. With feedback from end users, they've also expressed that they would like to create their own notebook within PowerPoint. Excellent. So we move forward, and there is my notebook within PowerPoint. And you could put that after every key meeting objective, every training session, or any teaching lesson. So what we can do now is we can hold on here. We can come out of the PowerPoint presentation. We can select Keep, and it keeps our annotations within the presentation. Another key application that we're asked for Avocor to work with is Skype for Business. As you can see here is my Skype for Business. Skype for Business will launch. I've picked my colleague Mike today, who I will hold on to and start a video call. And the video call will start. So this is now calling Mike at his desk. Hi Mike.
Hi Simon, how are you?
Yes, I'm really good, thank you. How's today going?
Good, yeah, very good, but nice and busy.
Oh, excellent, nice to hear. Thank you for supporting me in today's Skype call.
You're very welcome.
Okay, enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And as we know, within Skype for Business, we can now use PowerPoint, we can now use whiteboarding, and there's a number of ways we can develop and work with Skype. Also, using this as an example, you can also design your solutions of what you need and require as an end user. So instead of having everything built in, only to suit certain meeting rooms or classrooms, you can now develop and work to add the PTZ cameras. You might want to add ceiling microphones. You might want to add gooseneck microphones. You might also want to come back to a DSP and other solutions. And that's what Avocor does. It allows you to build a solution around your end user requirements. So let's conclude on today of what we've gone through. We have a 65, 75 or 84-inch Windows 10 tablet solution. It is easy to use and maximizes your return of investment. Effectively, this is the skeleton of your solution, and the end user will add the flesh and muscle to complete their requirements and their demands. For further information, please feel free to visit avocor.com. I've been Simon Harris-Briggs, and thank you for watching.